Hello, children of Standard 6. Good morning to you all. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and you have learned yesterday what I taught. Okay, we have seen in the previous class that Tom was very naughty boy and Aunt Polly had bundle of difficulty to keep control of this mischievous boy. Bundle of trouble she had, and it was not her own son, but it was her sister's son. And Sid, Mary, they all lived near the Mississippi River in the place called St. Petersburg. There they were there. The great river flows near their house. And Tom used to enjoy in that river water. Here he says, Aunt Polly had just picked up the switch means cane, the stick, when suddenly Tom cried out, "Oh, my aunt, look behind you." So he shouted to make her distracted. So she said, "Oh my aunt, see that water behind you." And she whirled to turn to look what it was. The old lady whirled around and gathered up her skirt in a log. So she thought something is there. So she put her skirts all together so that nothing will touch her. And in that instance, the boy fled. The boy fled means he ran away. He flew away he scrambled up the high board fence and see, he scrambled on the high board fence. This is the fence, and over that how he is jumping out, and Aunt Polly with the stick running behind him. Can you see this fence so high, and on that he is jumping it out. Can you see how he is jumping? Yeah. So on the fence he was jumping. Disappeared on the other side, and he jumped and disappeared the other side. For a moment his aunt was too surprised to move. Then she lowered her skirt and laughed softly. Then she kept down her skirt and she laughed on his naughtiness. How naughty this boy, how making this old lady to run behind him. For a moment his aunt was too surprised to move. Then she lowered her skirts and laughed softly. Bless the boy. So she said, God bless this boy. She said, he is always getting the better of me. So she said, this boy is always getting better of me. Means he is getting always scolding and beat. In the truth, the old lady, but he is my own poor dead sister's son, and I must do my best for him. She shouts and scolds him only to get him better, to learn better, because she loves him too much, because her sister was dead and her son she has brought and taking care. So she says, my dead sister's son, God bless him. In truth, the old lady loved Tom as if he was her own son. The old lady loved Tom as her own son. And it was worried her no end to know that he was the naughtiest as well as wildest boy in the village. So she's telling, this boy was very naughty and also wild. Always he used to fight with other friends. There was no learning in his head. He was never studying. He never learned something. He always wanted to go and play and fight and enjoy. Do all the naughty work. He never learned something. Not that Tom was stupid. He was not stupid. He was a clever boy, but he was lazy. He didn't want to learn something. Oh no, far from it. But he just could not see the point in wasting beautiful bright summer days in the classroom. So beautiful bright summer. See, the people in the foreign country, they long for the sun. So they wait for summer to come to see bright sun and so on. So she's telling he is to waste that bright sun. Always it is chill and cold and cloudy and foggy. Always snow falls. So everything is closed. In that they study. But when summer they are very happy. 3 months only summer comes, they get the sun and so on. So in that sunlight to go and study, he is wasting in the play. So she is telling how he wasted the beautiful summer. Aunt Polly knew that Tom would not come back that afternoon. So she went back to her knitting that day. But that night she waited up for him. As he got through the window, she caught hold of him firmly. His clothes were in a mess, torn and dirty after a fight with another boy. So Aunt Polly knew that afternoon that boy will not come. And so what she did her knitting and so on. And while she was doing, she forgot about Tom that he will not come. She knew. But night when he did not come, she waited for him. She sat in the room where he comes and then she waited for his coming. When he came also through the window. So when he jumped on the window, she caught off his cloth. Cloth was very dirty, torn everything, and he came. That means he fought with some boys and he came. Aunt Polly propped up her precious spectacle on the top of her head for safety and gave Tom a good shake. So she put her spectacle properly because it is very expensive, 0 power though, but it is expensive. She kept it properly, picked up tightly, safely. See, I wrote here meaning support, give some support or keep in the position or put it up. Put it up means they put here like that. So she has put it up. And then she caught his collar or something and gave nice shook. Tomorrow is Saturday, she told him. Tomorrow is Saturday, she said. But it all be no holidays for you. It's hard labor you will be doing. So she said, tomorrow is a Saturday. Always Saturday is day off. No class, nothing will be there. So she said, you will not have holiday. You have to have some punishment. You have to do some hard work. Whitewashing my fence, the fence which he jumped here, she told this, whitewash it. And not until it is finished will you be free to play. Once you finish, you can go for play. If you have not finished, you should not go for play. Tom groaned as he got up the next morning, Saturday. So next morning, Saturday, when he got up, he was little groaning. A day when he went down to the river to watch the steamboats hang around the village pump, talking and laughing with his friends. Alas, this Saturday was to be total washout, having to do the whitewashing of the fence. So he is telling the Saturday usually is to go to the pump and play, take bath, enjoy with the friends, laughing, talking, enjoying. And today nothing. This Saturday I have to do the whitewash. I myself is washed white. Time is gone. Now today's time is lost. I can't do it anything. So he was ready for punishment and he did. So, okay, children, when you are naughty, you also will get the punishment. So, be careful, be good, try to be good. Okay, thank you.